Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix error missing info on Instagram. So you might be experiencing this kind of error on your Instagram. So what we will gonna do to fix this issue. So first, update your Instagram application. So first go to your Google Play Store and just find here on the search box, type right here Instagram, and then right here if you find a update button, just tap update to fix that issue. Well, you can actually change your profile picture using your web browser. So open up your Google Chrome and right here on the search box type Instagram login, then tap on search and you will find the link right here, the second link, login Instagram. Now here, all you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on desktop site. It will be now a web version. Now continue on your Gmail account or account on Instagram. Now as you can see here, your Instagram web page. Now all you need to do is go to your profile page. So zoom in to find that little icon right there, the profile icon, and then you'll find your profile page. Now tap on the profile picture, a message shows up, then upload photo and find photo from gallery. So for example, I want to change this one. And as you can see here, your profile picture has changed on Instagram. Now you can also change your profile picture using Instagram Lite. So go to your Google Play Store and download Instagram Lite. Now here on the profile page, all you need to do is tap on edit profile, then tap on change profile photo. Now here, for example, I want to change with this one. So wait for a few seconds and finally, your profile picture has changed. So that's how you basically fix that issue. Thank you for watching. Please like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.